Good afternoon to everyone. We are from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya. I am Manas Bhagil of class 11 and my team members are Anmol, Aditya, Krishna and me myself. Under the guidance of Nupur Banerjee ma'am, we are building this project under Vikshit Bharat Buildathon on the sub-theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our project is based on accident detection device. Let's move on to the next slide and look at a few things. The contents, first of all, there are 5 things that are in contents. First is device overview and key features. Second is how it works. Third is benefits and safety considerations. Fourth is potential challenges and solutions. 5 is implementation steps or prototype ideas. On the next slide, we are going to learn these things in a little more exampled manner. Now let's move to the next slide. First is device overview and key features. This is our first key point. And this specializes in product designers specializing in automotive safety and IoT. IoT is simply Internet of Things. It is a very vast devices, automotive safety, and our task simply is design and describe a compact, reliable device that can be fitted into a vehicle to detect car accidents in real time. This is just the introduction. Let's move on to the next slide. There are some key features about this device. Automatic emergency calls. Now, whenever you are in an accident, what this device does is that it calls emergency services such as like ambulance with the vehicle's location and basic details. It already knows where you are and how severe the collision was. And family notifications. Notifies pre-registered family members via phone calls or SMS, including GPS coordinates and a link to the location on a map. Now, this is a very good feature because it notifies your family if you are in an accident or not. And there is police alerts. It alerts the police, local police as well. Alerts local police with the same location data and incident summary. Now let's move on to the next slide. Second is how it works. Now it is very important to know how our device works, because without that we won't be able to really tell you how the things work. And the device should automatically detect accidents using various sensors and algorithms. It has various sensors and algorithms already fitted into it so that it can work actually. Now let's move to the next slide. Components and mechanisms, as I already told you, there are sensors, AI algorithms, and integration. Sensors usually detect impact, sudden deceleration, or airbag deployment, usually to know if you are really in an accident. And AI algorithms process sensor data to determine the severity of an incident and trigger notifications. This usually is therefore how severe the accident was. Integration connects with emergency services, local police, and mobile networks. This was the facilities where I already told you and explained it to you. Now let's move on to the next slide. Third is benefits and safety considerations. This device aims to enhance vehicular safety by delivering timely responses in accidents. Now, if this is a very important feature as well, because timely responses are everything in this device. Without it, it's nothing. First is it's user friendly. The design should be intuitive for both drivers and family members. And second is privacy compliance. Must adhere to regulations such as GDPR, CCPA to protect user data. And third is cost effective. It is built on very minimal prices so that everyone can afford it. Let's move on to the next slide. Fourth is potential challenges and solutions. Every device has some potential challenges and we've overcome most of our challenges. Challenges, technical reliability, ensuring that the sensors and connectivity work flawlessly in different conditions like climate changes, and user trust. Of course, people don't really trust in devices that are built into the solution. But the solutions are conduct rigorous testing. We've conducted rigorous testing for this. And the second solution would be implement robust security measures to protect user data and communications. Now let's move on to the next slide. Fifth is implementation steps or prototype ideas. First, create a prototype that can be tested in real world scenarios. We've already seen about that in the previous slide. And second is collaborate with emergency services to facilitate a smooth integration of the device with the system. This is usually like when you are getting some kind of grant from other big companies so that you can just sort of do your thing. And the third is use evidence from real world examples. Example data similar to OnStar or Tesla's emergency features. You can use others' ideas to actually build yours as well. And the aim is to foster innovation that ultimately saves lives. This is really the most important line in this PowerPoint presentation. The aim is to foster innovation that ultimately saves lives. Now let's move on to the next slide. And this was it for all our ideas. And this is by far. Thank you.